Hello, good morning, guys.
Good morning, everyone.
I hope you are doing well. Today we are came late for a morning jog actually because she is giving excuses to not go because I have paper today, so I also have to do a study. But I thought it when we come for running, so my mind will be fresh. That's why we came and we talk about lot of important things. We discuss so many things, uh, like uh, um, like my one in my morning's vlog, yesterday's morning vlog, one viewer commented that sister, can you help me to speak English fluently? So I want to reply to give for this comment, that yeah, I want to give some tips to that person, that if you start your journey, if you want to speak English, so you can start from reading some English books. From that book you can collect some you know about some English words that you can apply in your life, and you start from your daily conversation. At least you can speak with your surrounding people in English. I know in starting it feel little bit uncomfortable, awkward. Some thoughts came in mind, like what other people's think about us. Sometimes they make a joke on us, so this is very quite normal things. You don't need to think about all these kind of things. All these things happen in our life when you start some new things, so you don't need to be hesitate. And then I want to suggest one app. This is not a promotional video, so that app is because that app I am using, so that is okay for basics, for starting. So that app is Speak English, and you also can practice with ChatGPT. Sometime I also do. And one more thing, when you speak, if you do any mistake, so don't stop, continue that process, because I'm also beginner. When I make this video, I also use some fillers in middle of my conversation. But if you broke your flow, so that will be not so good. So that is all thing. Actually we talk about life and my personal things today, that I don't want to share it.
You can share. You can share.
No,
You
I'm
have to share.
yeah, that that is very important thing. From that incidents I learned that if you don't respect yourself, if you don't give priority to yourself, other will definitely make a joke of your life, of your whole personality. So don't give too much priority to others. This is the very important thing in today's time. If anyone saying na that for me looks doesn't matter, money doesn't matter, power doesn't matter, no, that person is totally fooling you. Because in today's time, for everyone, look matters. If everyone came near you, so first thing is your look. First way of attraction is your look, and then everything. So if anyone, if any person saying this kind of things, so that that person totally making you fool, guys. So don't come in all this kind of things, and just do better for your life, do focus on your life, and do hard work for your growth, for your well-being, and do some challenging things, if you are feel fear from that thing, so you need to challenge that thing. Because I am also doing this all these things, like vlogging, like English vlogging, like Hindi vlogging also I do, for because I am agriculture student. So I am all this thing do for because I want to be a good speaker. I want to improve my body language, and I want to do on my whole personality work, you know. That's why I'm doing. So that's it, guys, for today. Bye.
Thank you so